once again, Khokhovula Gundabaloyi on our YouTube, Khokhovula Traditional Healer, Facebook, Khokhovula Gundabaloyi, website www.khokhovula.co.za. We're still on the topic of Ukuthwala for riches, Ukuthwala for money. This time around, I'm trying to explain what is Ukuthwala and what is Ukuphakamisa. Not Ukuthwala, but Ukuphakamisa. This is our today's heading. Not Ukuthwala, but Ukuphakamisa. Khokhovula Gundabaloyi performs success rituals. Ukuphakamisa. So we call it. When I am writing and publishing on social networks, like many, I call it Ukuthwala for people to understand the concept. But in actual fact, I don't do Ukuthwala because Ukuthwala is dirty and it is dangerous. Ukuthwala means to carry or carrying. Carrying what? Simple carrying human souls that you sacrifice for wealth and for your own riches, which we don't do here. We use the word Ukuthwala because that is what people understand. If we had to use the word Ukuphakamisa, people would not understand what we mean. But in actual fact, we don't do dangerous Ukuthwala, but Ukuphakamisa. Ukuthwala and Ukuphakamisa, they are both rituals. The only way they differ is that Ukuthwala needs some bad and dangerous sacrifices like mutilation. But Ukuphakamisa uses simple things like you slaughter an animal, like you look for honey, the bees, the hives, like you look for some animal remains, than Ukuthwala is endangering the human life. The wealth rituals we do for people is not Ukuthwala. We do uplift. We lift. What do we lift and what do we mean by uplifting? We lift the sanctions of poverty as with a country as its sanctions lifted. But it is all spiritual. We do uplift people who want to get wealthy through spirits, protecting their wealth, making everything possible, whatever they do, successful, sustaining their businesses through spirits, rituals, and motive. Anyone who does Ukuthwala directly is dangerous to himself and the family at large. We do good, safe, and humble success rituals for the people. In South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, Ireland, China, Zambia, Namibia, India, Canada, and the world over. I receive people from all over the world who come for these rituals, some for their political leadership, some for some certain organizational leaderships, some for running even the churches. The pastors are my friends. I receive them here. I give them powers to make people fall. I give them powers to gather people, to have a large fellowship, to have a large fan clubs be followed. My rituals last forever without any renewal. It is so funny that since I started writing and publishing about rituals of wealth and Ukuthwala, everyone, even the poor of the poorest, are shouting, "Siyathwalisa, siyathwalisa," meaning they help people get rich through spirits and rituals. They read my articles and they practice Ukuthwala, faking everything. Shame, and a big shame. As I have published this video, I know they are imitating me. They will be doing the same, telling you they are helping you with Ukuthwala ritual for man. Shame and a big shame. What I've just mentioned here is just a brief summary of what the whole formula of this ritual entail. There is a lot to uncover. You can contact me, Khokhovula Gundabaloyi, your great healer, your great spiritualist, on +27 073 037 3093, +27 063 8111178. We have got our email, khokhovula@gmail.com, vulakoko@gmail.com. I'll repeat the first email, khokhovula@gmail.com, vulakoko@gmail.com. www.khokhovula.co.za is my website. Please subscribe, like and share this video. The world needs these teachings. I thank you.